Hello everyone, hello Division. I am Mark Anthony Velasco Ranyola from Barangay Managanaga, Aroroy, Masbate. I am a product of Dr. Emilio B. Espinosa Sr. Memorial State College of Agriculture and Technology. I learned so many things from my former instructors at this college. I am grateful for the experiences and skills I learned from my course. By the way, I graduated Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in Automotive Technology, year 2014, graduated as cum laude. I am grateful that the Best of Scott transformed me into who I am today. It opened lots of opportunities and helped me reach my ambition in life and reach my full potential. I am grateful for sharing time at my school. So, I was a former parts custodian at Motor Trade Topline Incorporated, located at the province of Masbate from year 2014 to 2015. From 2015 to 2019, I was a former parts admin staff at Isuzu Commonwealth located at Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. During my tenure on 2016, I was awarded as 2016 Model Trainee by Isuzu Philippines Corporation. On 2019, I competed Isuzu Service Skills Olympic under parts category and won as champion. A very good experience of mine. Isuzu Service Skills Olympic or ISO is a national competition held by Isuzu Philippines Corporation yearly, wherein Isuzu dealership across the Philippines sent the best participants to Isuzu Philippines to compete. I was also a OIC Group Service Admin Supervisor and accredited Isuzu Dealer Trainer at Isuzu Manila, Isuzu Commonwealth, and Isuzu Leyte. I was also appointed as Safety Officer during that time. Also, I've been Service Advisor at Isuzu Commonwealth from June 2022 to November 2022. And now, I am currently college instructor at the Best of Scott, Cabitan, Mandaon, Masbate. See, my former school is now my new workplace. I am grateful and thankful for this new opportunity. It is opportunity. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. I have this attitude during my academic journey during college days, which is ayoko yung nalalamangan ako sa klase. Ayoko yung pangalawa, ayoko yung pangatlo. So what did I do? I study hard, I listen carefully, and I make sure one step ahead ako dun sa magiging kakumpetensya ko. At yun ay napatunayan ko. What advice can I give? Una, hard. Kailangan mahalin niyo muna yung kursong pinili niyo. At i-enjoy ang journey habang tinatahak nyo yung kurso ng Automotive Technology. Pangalawa, curiosity. Kailangan maging curious kayo sa bagay-bagay sa automotive para mapalawak nyo pa ang inyong mga kalaman. Huwag kayong manghiya na magtanong kung may gusto kayong malaman sa mga bagay-bagay na meron sa automotive. Pangatlo, common sense. Mas mapapadali ang pag-intindi nyo sa inyong kurso o sa mga topic sa automotive technology kung gagamitin nyo na mabuti ang inyong common sense. At may improve pa ang inyong critical thinking skills kung magagamit nyo ng maayos ang inyong common sense. Okay lang magkamali dahil doon tayo natututo. Okay lang magkamali dahil part yun ng ating learning process sa automotive. Okay lang magkamali dahil doon tayo lalong gumagaling. Just walk with the right path for you to have progress. If you love fixing cars, fixing equipment and machineries, be one of us. Choose Automotive Technology. Thank you everyone. Adios. Kamsahamnida.
friends like